Hi, welcome back. Learn generative AI in 5 minutes. So let's continue from last video. We are talking about terminology. So today topic is data engineering. So where data engineers design and build pipeline. Pipeline is nothing but a program which can be used to transform data multiple pipelines, meaning program 1, program 2, program 3. Each program is called as a pipeline. Like this you can connect multiple programs into a pipeline. So where data engineers will prepare data pipelines and run these pipelines to transform your data. So these data engineers will provide data as input to data scientist. Data scientist is the person who can derive insights from the data. They apply algorithms, machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, as we discussed in previous sessions, and derive insights from images, video, audio, text, numerical data. So most of the cases, data engineers and data scientists jobs will be overlapping 60 to 70% of responsibilities. If it is small organization, one person can do data engineering, data scientist activities. If it is a bigger organization, you will be having separate roles like data engineering role, data science role, right? So let us try to understand what are the different file formats. So in our daily life, we are going to work in different file formats. These are the storage systems. So one is Avro file, CSV file, Parquet file, ORC file, JSON files. These files are very important in interview point of view and project point of view. There is a CSV file. The CSV file is good for low volume of data. CSV stands for comma separated value. So it can be mainly used for developing POCs, proof of concepts, or pilot projects by storing small amount of data. But this is going to be a more structured column and row formatted data. Okay, let's continue in next video with a new topic.